trying to learn kanji? Click the link in the description to get a free ebook and study along with this lesson.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Kanji Time! 今日は N2 漢字を習います。行きましょう !Let's go! If you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. This kanji means honor, revered, precious, noble. The on reading for this kanji is son, like in 尊敬, which means respect. 話すのが上手な人を尊敬します。I respect someone who can talk fluently. And the kun reading is 尊, as in 聖人を尊ぶ, which means to respect the saint. This kanji means guidance, leading, usher. The on reading for this kanji is 導, like in 導入する, which means to introduce. AI を導入する. And the kun reading is 導, as in 導く, which means to read. 導く. 正しい道に導く. こっちだよ. This kanji means deliver, reach, arrive, report. Kun reading is 届, like in 手が届く, which means can afford, within one's reach. 夢にもうすぐで手が届く. This kanji means expand, spread, look hard. The on reading for this kanji is 10, like in 進展, which means progress. 話が進展する. And 発展する, which means to develop, grow. This kanji means stratum, social class, layer, floor. The on reading for this kanji is 層, like in 超高層ビル, which means skyscrapers. Skyscraper, neon light, waiting paper. And 地層, which means stratum, geological layer. Quiz time! Say the reading of the following kanji. 発展する。聖人を尊ぶ。地層。導く。Now say the meaning of the following words. 進展。progress. 尊敬。respect. 手が届く。can afford. within one's reach. 超高層ビル。skyscraper. 導入する。to introduce. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. いつも見てくれてありがとうございます。あなたを漢字マスターの道へ導きます。Bye!
Great work! Here's a gift for just watching. Mastering Kanji, the secret to learning 1,500 kanji. Get this ebook for free and learn to master kanji easily. Just click the link in the description.